Hi there. For today's Ninja Art tip, I want to tell you, I want to show you my little, what I call my runaway from home kit. So it's not really a matter of me wanting to run away from home, but I just like to be able to run out the door, grab my art kit, my Scribble on the Run kit, and just jump in the car and go. So a runaway from home kit doesn't mean that you're unhappy at home. It just means you want to take your art with you when you get out on the road. So I'll show you this little kit that I've put together that I use all the time. So I take it with my journal. So it's a roll up. It's a really fun thing that you can make yourself actually. So it's just a little strap of cloth here. Around the way. And once you open it up, it's a roll out of all of the gear that you need, all in the one little kit. It's a very simple thing to have. Mine's ended up being a bit of a loaded up one because I kind of added things to it as I go along, as I've tried it out. So I've got my retractable pencil, some special pens, my water brush, watercolour paints, and my little miniature watercolour art kit. It looks very well loved. Tissues for watercolour, pens. The only thing, of course, you've got to watch out for is to take out the sharp things when you travel on a plane. So all of these knifey things need to go in your suitcase. But it's a fantastic little kit, and I'm going to put a free recipe up on the dojo very soon to show you how to make one of these. They're a lot of fun. You can just choose fun fabrics that you love, and it's very easy to just roll that up, tie it up, just tucks in to there, grabs it all together. Sorry for the rough one-handed operation. And then that's just ready to go to take with you when you're out on the road. So I just dump that with my journal, and I run out the door and I'm ready to go. So I hope that is a bit of fun to think about. Maybe you could sew one up over the holidays for yourself. So I hope to see you all doing your drawing every day if you possibly can. But if you want some more tips, go and visit the dojo at zenartart.com. And please, if you like or share or comment or subscribe, it really helps other people to see the video, because Facebook won't share it with people unless there's a little bit of interaction on the post. So that's why I always beg you to do that. If you don't mind just making a little comment telling me maybe how you put your little runaway from home kit together. So there you go, that's our tip for today. Thanks for watching.